Today, I'm demonstrating cookie equations to show how chemical reactions follow the law of conservation of matter. But first, we need to balance the equation. On the left is our reactants and on the right is our product. To begin, we will balance oxygen, so we will add a 2 coefficient. Well, then we need to add a 2 to our H2O so that our hydrogen and our oxygen are equal on both sides. Here, I'm just giving a visual of our cookies and the kiss to their corresponding element. And here we go. To begin, I have not that much room on my desk, so I'm going to show you one at a time. So first we have 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms, and those are getting combined to 2 oxygen-oxygen pairs. I tried to represent this with rubber bands, but it's really kind of hard to see. And then the product, this will show you that no cookies or kisses were added or destroyed. To begin, we need to make a carbon with 2 oxygen atoms. Notice how my pairs never came apart? That's because one of my pairs went with 1 carbon. Next, we're going to work on our H2O. We have 2 of these. So first, I will get 2 hydrogen atoms, and I will combine that with 1 oxygen, and these do come apart. Then I'll make another one, and that's it. Nothing was created nor destroyed. Let's try another example. By looking at this equation, it looks balanced, and that's correct. We don't have to balance it because it's all good. Since it's balanced, I'm just going to show you our key for this one again. This time I added a cracker because I ran out of cookies. So let's look at this one. First, let's start with our reactants. We have 1 sodium, 1 oxygen, and 1 hydrogen. Noted by that. That is getting combined with hydrogen and chlorine, 1 of each. And this is our product. So as you can see, we have 1 sodium and 1 chlorine together, and that combined with 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. I, again, used the rubber band. Don't know why. You can hardly see it, but they are together. And nothing, again, was created nor destroyed. And on to our last equation. So this one is going to take quite a bit of balancing. So first, we're going to start with our iron. We're going to add a 2 coefficient in front of our iron, which gives us 4. Now we need to add a 4 coefficient in front of our product iron, so that balances on both sides. And now we have 6 oxygen and 2 oxygen on the product side, so we need to balance that next. So we're going to add a 3. Well, now our carbon is 3. So we need to now balance our carbon atoms. So we're going to add a 3 in front of that. And that's it balanced. And this one only had 3 elements, so I didn't have to use the cracker again. So now I'm going to show you the cookies. There's 1, there's 2, and then here comes my little oxygen. And here we go for our reactants. First, we have 2 of our iron and oxygen combination. So here's that. I have 2 iron with 3 oxygen. No rubber bands because I ditched them. It was whatever. Next, that's combining with 3 carbon atoms. 3 separate carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. These are separate. These are their own. And boom, there's the product. So to begin, we have 3 CO2s. So 3 separate CO2s. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Again, I ditched the rubber bands. That's combining with 4 iron atoms. 4 separate iron atoms. Nothing is together. And that's how you balance cookie equations. Thank you guys so much for watching. And remember to always balance your equations. Okay, bye!